Everybody hold on to your butts because we've got a new image from JWST. Sorry, let me get out of your way here so you can really appreciate this. So we are looking at a region of space very close to the center of our galaxy, only a few hundred light years from that supermassive black hole that sits in the middle of the Milky Way. This region is called Sagittarius B2, and it is the biggest and most active star-forming region in the whole galaxy. And the results are very apparent. There are so many stars in this picture. We can also see some of the gas and dust that is the material the stars are being formed from, and interestingly, a lot of the dark regions you see here are not actually regions where there's less star formation going on, but more. They just look darker because a lot of that gas and dust is so dense it's blocking a significant portion of the starlight. Now this image came from an instrument on JWST called NIRCam, where the NIR stands for near infrared. We are looking at light just slightly lower energy than what our eyes can detect. But NIRCam isn't the only instrument they use to look at this star-forming region. They also looked at it with MIRI, which is the mid-infrared instrument. And in the longer wavelengths and lower energy of MIRI, we see this. The first thing you might wonder is, where did all the stars go? When we look in different wavelengths of light, different elements of the universe appear brighter or dimmer. In this case, we're only seeing the very brightest stars, and most of the emission is coming directly from the gas and dust. Now this is false color because it's infrared light, right? It doesn't have colors we can see with our eyes, but it is still absolutely stunning. And these observations, both from MIRI and from NIRCam, will help us understand why this region is forming so many stars. We'll be able to figure out how big these stars are and how old they are, and thus how long star formation has been going on in this particular region. We've never been able to see it in this much detail before, which is part of the magic of JWST. The science and the images we're getting out of it are truly remarkable. It's demonstrating how worthwhile investing in science is. I mean, look at this. We're seeing our universe in a whole new way.